We're showing how to make self-raising flour, which is used in many British recipes. You only need 2 ingredients. We are going to make about a cup of self-raising flour. Add a cup of all-purpose flour to a bowl. Next, we'll add baking powder, but before adding the baking powder, you should test it to make sure it's active. Do this by placing a small amount onto a small ridged surface. Now add water and see if it reacts. A jar lid would work well. If it's not active, you'll need to buy some more. Add 2 teaspoons of active baking powder to the bowl and mix well. It's a good idea to sift the flour to remove any lumps and to distribute the baking powder evenly. We don't have a sifter, so we use a fine strainer. Press any lumps through with your fingers. The self-raising flour is ready! Happy baking! If you liked this video, you may want to watch this one too.